Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 14th of October 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Nigeria's energy transition journey under President Bola Tinubu's administration is unlocking an investment opportunity of over $410 billion between now and 2060. Over $23 billion will be needed to expand energy access and connect the millions of Nigerians who still live in energy poverty. The country's ambition is to deliver a power system capable of 277 gigawatts of total installed capacity by 2060. The Brazilian National Development Bank will evaluate requests for temporary debt suspension from energy companies impacted by power generation cuts. These curtailments have been mandated by the national grid operator ONS. The measure is being discussed with solar and wind energy companies who have been impacted the most by the curtailments. Those companies are suffering steep revenue losses and seeking financial relief from banks and other financial institutions. The Indian government has made it mandatory for importers of select products used exclusively in solar and wind energy projects to register on the Renewable Energy Equipment Import Monitoring System, effective from the 1st of November 2025. Imports of certain wind energy components including towers, bearing housings, gears, and gearing will also require registration on the monitoring system. The new policy conditions will cover imports made through air cargo, sea cargo, and land routes, ensuring greater transparency and oversight in the sourcing of renewable energy equipment. The UK government has unveiled a package of planning reforms to accelerate onshore wind development and other major infrastructure projects as part of its Planning and Infrastructure Bill. The changes are designed to remove barriers that have slowed renewable energy projects, with measures allowing ministers to step in when councils block applications and speeding up environmental approvals. Britain's potential has been shackled by governments unwilling to overhaul the stubborn planning system that has erected barriers to building at every turn. The government is launching its first comprehensive investigation into offshore wind farms that have been guaranteed power supply prices for 20 years. This move is seen as a decisive action to protect the domestic offshore wind ecosystem from cases where foreign products, particularly from China, are used despite promises to use domestic components in exchange for support. The Korea Energy Agency plans to begin on-site investigations as early as the end of this year, targeting offshore wind farm projects selected through fixed-price competitive bidding. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.